drinking something. I know they smoking something. I know they ain't stunting. What's going on up in the club? I step in the club, females is grinning. Straight to the bar, Coronas and lemon. I don't gotta say nothing to bag you women, but you do look right up in the denim. She Christian, and she don't care that she sinning. On the dance floor showing the thong. Yo, I'm about to bounce to the bar, my drink almost gone. I still might scuff my J's, and I still hit a Dutch that's stuffed with haze. Keep drinking like this, be stuck for days. Still filling up on mommy legs. Straight liquor, no chaser. If she leave out the club, I'm not gonna chase her. I just get another dime chick to replace her. I know she drinking something. I know she smoking something. I know she ain't frontin'. What's going on after the club? I know he drinking something. I know he smoking something. I know he ain't dumping. How you get the 4/5 in the club? To my thugs on the dance floor, throw them bowls, kick crump, lean back when Fat Joe come on. Sip yak, throw your fitted back on. You better bag you a biddy for all of them gone. Better buy out the bar till all of it's gone. Yeah, empty the bottles, leave with some models. Guaranteed you won't see me tomorrow, but I'll probably hit the club, do the same in tomorrow. Only time I get mad when I hear last call. 8 drinks to the face and I still ain't fall. 8 chicks in the place, I still ain't call. No team in the club and I'm still gonna ball. Scoop up your wifey, slide to the diner. Guarantee you ain't gonna find her. 21 and older, no dealing with minors. 21 and older, no dealing with minors. I know she drinking something. I know she smoking something. I know she ain't frontin'. Ma, what we doing after the club? I know he drinking something. I know he smoking something. I know he ain't dumping. How you get the 4/5 in the club? Yo, it's late night and I'm still stuck in the club, looking for a shorty to rub so I can take home with me. Just to sip in the tub, and I ain't think about cutting the rug, but I still post up on the dance floor all night long, trying to get with mommy wearing a thong. Nice body, plus her hair is long. Yo, I whisper sweet nothings up in the air, tell her come here, yeah, let's go somewhere. I don't know, like Holiday Inn. You could bring a few of your friends, and guess what? I'll bring Henny and gin. Let's go, let's have an after party, and plus I got a 5th of Bacardi. It's alright if you wanna get naughty. Let's go, let's get it on tonight. And them jeans is fitting on your butt so right. But I don't got plans to make you my wife, but I do got plans to slide with you tonight. I know she drinking something. I know she smoking something. I know she ain't frontin'. Ma, what we doing after the club? I know he drinking something. I know he smoking something. I know he ain't dumping. How you get the 4/5 in the club?